Sign up at the end of this review to get my personal gear list. Hey folks, Tony Policastro here from the Acoustic Letter. Today we have a small body guitar from the folks at Martin, which is a real sweetheart. If you thought the Singolo that we did a couple weeks back was cool, wait till you check this thing out. But first, please sign up for the Acoustic Letter. As I always mention, it is very cool and you will be happy that you did so. On to this Martin custom 000 12 fret. This was a little culmination of the want list between myself and Paul went to Martin and picked out the wood, and we got this little beauty. We have a 000 12 fret with a solid spruce top, vintage style pyramid bridge, ebony bridge pins, bone saddle, abalone rosette, this beautiful dark stark black ebony binding around the entire guitar. We have stark black ebony fingerboard with no fret markers, which looks really cool, really classy. Bound in maple. We have an 1 3/4 bone nut. And on the back, we have a killer piece of quilted maple. Incredible figuring, and right down the middle we have a really stark black ebony backstrip, which kind of divides the two pieces really, really nice. Mahogany neck. Slot headstock with an ebony overlay, also bound in maple. Abalone Martin and Company inlay. Waverly black button tuners. This guitar, as cool as it looks, sounds equally as cool, if not cooler. So let's give this custom 000 12 fret by Martin a play. Interested in this guitar? Go to acousticletter.com now and email us with your questions. For more acoustic reviews and comparisons, click the button to subscribe to our YouTube channel.